Welcome to the 21 video on building a social network with Go. In this video we are going to do the post page. Right now, this URL returns a 404 not found. Let's start by adding the root. I will use a regular expression to capture the post ID. There. You can see the URL parameters. I will now parse it as a big int. The next thing is fetch the post and comments from the server. Comments can be paginated, so I will make the second argument optional. I like to use a small page size just to test it. Let me add the type definition. Now, with promise.all, we can do both fetch at the same time. There. Let's do rendering now. That should be for the static markup. Inside this post outlet I will render the post. This render post function comes from the post component. There. I will change some styles. I'm reusing the style of the user profile wrapper. Let me also add some margin to the form. Now, let's render the comments. The list component takes care of rendering it. Rendering a comment is almost the same as a post, so I will copy-paste the function and change accordingly. That should be. I want to display comments in a reverse order. Newers at the bottom. And there they are. Let's move into the comment form now. As always, I like to disable form controls while doing HTTP requests. To create a comment, we just need to make the call to the server. The response doesn't include the user, so I will add it here. After creating the comment, we need to add it to the list. And finally, reset the form. Nice. But it looks like I need to update this comments count as well. I can query for this element to update it. Right, I forgot to call this function. So, right now the count is 3, but once I add a comment, it's 4. Let's make the comments real-time now. We need to make the connection to the server using an event source. Don't forget to close the connection once we leave the page. So, once a comment arrives, we add it to the list and increment the comments count. Let's test it by opening a new tab. Doesn't looks like anything, but check this. The list component adds a floating button to add new items just when the user wants. It's a UX thing. So I just need to correctly position this button. Let's try again. Very nice. Since I'm here, let's add functionality to the like button. To toggle the like, we need to make the call to the server. Disable the button while doing the request. Let me quickly add the type definition. After that, we need to update all these attributes in the button. Nice. Let's do the same for the comments like button. Done. I think that's all for this video. See you in the next one.